Imagine a world so vast, so alien, that even in the age of satellites and AI, we've barely scratched its surface. A place teeming with life forms that defy biology, trenches deeper than Mount Everest is tall, and landscapes that rival other planets in mystery. That world isn't on Mars, it's right here on Earth, beneath the waves. But here's the mind-blowing truth: over 80% of our ocean remains unexplored. Why? With all our technological advancement, what's stopping us from unveiling these secrets? We've mapped more of Mars and the Moon than we have of our own seabed. It sounds absurd, but it's true. While space telescopes can scan galaxies millions of light years away, our oceans absorb and distort radar, sonar, and even light. At just 200 meters below the surface, sunlight fades. Beyond 1,000 meters, pure blackness. Communication fails. Equipment struggles. We are essentially blind in our own backyard. The deeper you go, the more alien it becomes. At depths like the Mariana Trench over 11,000 meters, the pressure is over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. It's like having 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. Most submarines would be crushed like soda cans. Only a few vehicles, like James Cameron's Deep-Sea Challenger, have dared to descend this deep. Exploring the ocean isn't just dangerous, it's insanely complex and expensive. High-pressure resistant drones, fiber optic tethers, navigation systems that work without GPS, and real-time feedback all require bleeding-edge technology. And even then, you're only seeing a sliver. A remotely operated vehicle might take hours just to cover a few hundred meters of seabed, capturing data frame by frame, inch by inch. While billions are poured into space exploration, ocean exploration barely scrapes by. Why? There's less glamour in mapping mud than landing on Mars. But the ocean is arguably more important to life on Earth. It regulates climate, holds cures for diseases, and supports countless ecosystems. Still, it receives less than 1% of the funding that space gets. That's not just neglect, it's a missed opportunity for discovery. Every time we dive deeper, we find something new: gelatinous blobs that glow in the dark, translucent fish with tubular eyes, and even creatures that survive without sunlight, thriving on methane and sulfur. Scientists believe we've only discovered about 10% of ocean life. The rest, unnamed, unseen, and possibly more alien than life on other planets. The oceans aren't just mysterious, they're under threat. Warming waters, melting ice caps, acidification, and pollution are changing the seas faster than we can study them. Coral reefs are bleaching, fish are migrating, and entire ecosystems are vanishing before we even knew they existed. Understanding the ocean isn't just about discovery anymore, it's about survival.